Yep, you seen the title in the thumbnail, and we going seafood today. I'm gonna show you guys how to make a fried shrimp BLT. Nope, you ain't had nothing like this. Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick rundown of today's recipe. Back here we have our flour, we have our shrimp back here, we have some buttermilk, our buns. You can use any type of bun you want, it's totally up to you. We have some hot sauce, some fresh sliced tomatoes, lettuce. Right here I'm using some Nashville Hot Seasoning in both of these dishes, and we have some thick cut sliced bacon. So that's all you need. Let's get to it. All right, so to get started, we're gonna season our flour with our Nashville Hot Seasoning. And guys, you can use whatever type of seasoning you want. It's totally up to you. Salt and pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, whatever. But I'm gonna use this Nashville Hot Spicy Seasoning because we're gonna make a spicy fried BLT shrimp burger. Just like that, man. Get that mixed up. All right, we're gonna set this aside. Next, we're gonna prepare our buttermilk mixture. We're gonna add our hot sauce here, and we're gonna get that whisked around just like this. All right, so next we're gonna start preparing our bacon. We're just gonna add it here to this bacon sheet. And I'm gonna sprinkle this with a little pepper. And we're gonna put this in our toaster oven, and we're gonna cook it to our desired texture. I don't want mine too crispy. I want it a little meaty when I bite into my shrimp burger, all right? So let's get this in the oven. All right, guys, this is where it gets fun. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our shrimp and we're just gonna mince them, chop them up, however you wanna say it, into little bitty pieces. Guys, this is what we have. Take a look at that. All right, so now that we have our shrimp minced, we're gonna take our Nashville Hot Seasoning, or whatever seasoning you wanna use, and we're gonna add it here. Kind of get it mixed around. Got a little bit more here. All right, I'm gonna move this to the side right here just for a second. I'm gonna bring my burger presser in here, and we're gonna take some of our shrimp mixture, and I'm gonna get it pressed in this burger presser just like this. I'll remove it. Now what you wanna do, you just wanna get this removed. And as you can see, I added it right here on this cutting board right here, back here. We're gonna take a little bit more. We're gonna make another one. We'll get that one mashed down in here like that. And I'm gonna get this removed. So what I gotta do to get it removed, I just slide a butter knife around it like this, just like that. And it comes out just like this. It's not gonna always be together, but it's in that form. And then once you get it in your hand, you can kind of add a little bit more form to it. And then you wanna add that right here, and then shape it up a little bit more. I mean, because you're dealing with shrimp, it's not ground beef, all right? So now what you wanna do, what makes this burger the burger that we want, is that we're gonna stick this in the freezer, and we're gonna let this baby come together, harden up. That way we can fry it in the patty, or else it's gonna break apart as soon as it touches that grease. All right, let's go ahead and get it in the freezer. I'll let you know how long I keep it in the freezer, but we wanna make sure that baby is firm before we pull it out, all right? All right, so here are our shrimp burgers. I had them in my freezer for about 3 to 4 hours. It took that long for them to actually firm up and freeze like I wanted them. I guess because I had a whole lot of other food in my freezer, so it took a little bit longer. Right here we have our flour, and we have our buttermilk mixture right here. So all we're gonna do is we're gonna take one of our shrimp burgers or patties, and we're gonna dip it in our buttermilk, then over to our flour. And while you're flipping it around in this flour, just kind of be gentle, because you still can tear it apart, because once that shrimp burger gets exposed to the air, it's gonna start melting away. So you don't wanna, be too rough with it and tear it apart. All right, try to press as much flour onto the patty, that way you get it crispy like we want it. All right, we're gonna do the next one. Just like that. So what we're gonna do now, head over to our Dutch oven. I got that oil heating up on 350. By the time we get over there, we're gonna be ready to go, all right? Let's get over there to our Dutch oven. All right, so now we're at our stove. Now that baby is hot. we're gonna start adding our patties right here into our oil. I think I'm gonna cook one at a time because I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to get two in here because of the size, and I want these babies to cook right. And we're gonna cook them for 2 minutes per side. All right, guys, looks like we're good. We're gonna remove our burger here. Guys, take a look at that. Golden, crispy, exactly how we want it. I'm gonna add it over here to this cooling rack. Let it sit there while we fry the remaining shrimp burger. All right, so now it's time to remove our second patty. Look at that, guys. Man, y'all already know that's fire. We're gonna sit this here on the cooling rack also. Now we're gonna head over to our cutting board. Guys, take a look at what we have right here. This is what we're looking for. Man, that baby is hot and it's crispy. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna start building our shrimp burger, all right? And guys, there you have it, a fried shrimp BLT. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. So we're gonna jump into quality control because it's time. We waited too long. All right, guys, we back in here, quality control time. You know I'm gonna bring this shrimp burger to the front of the congregation. I got you, man. Take a look at that. Oh, man. Hey, I'm ready to, man, let me quit talking. Let's go ahead and get to it, baby. Man, that making me want a snake, man. Oh, man. That's it. Fire. Nothing else to say, man. Fire. Listen, I know the longest part of this recipe, putting it in the freezer and letting it firm up and freeze up, but man, it's worth the wait, I'm telling you. God, check this recipe out. I know you're gonna love it. Till then, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, I'm not a chef, but he gonna finish this whole thing. I just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace. Man, there's a God.